Yes, I got my nail bag on. Yes, I'm ready to work. Got my knee pad out, got some other stuff here. And what do you suppose we're gonna do here? Look at this. A directional track fixture. This is something different than a track light. You see this here? This is like a track light. It's got a head on there that you can swivel into place, but it goes right over the box. So there's no track light needed. And that's what I kind of wanted to do here. And as you know, we're still at the condo. I'm still making how-to videos for my video series for the condo. And in this area, right there and right there, okay, there used to be a track light there. A little square box was right there, and then the track went out this way. And then there was one little swivel head on there. And it was the same type of deal over there. Okay? But after I took them down, I thought, oh, we'll put them back up. And then afterwards, I thought, well, what could we do? Could we do something slightly different? And we were sitting back trying to decide what to do with that. And we were thinking, at first we were thinking, maybe hanging some pendant lights, like a cobalt blue or something like that, because we found this and we hung this in the window. This was just a regular window, and this was a stained glass thing of a peacock. Isn't that kind of cool? And then we tied that up to the header using just some wire and some of those swag hooks for the top. And so we thought, how else could we bring some more blue in here? And I thought, okay, that might be kind of nice. But the only problem with that is